Hello everyone, I'm excited to share the project I created for CS50's final project using Django and Bootstrap CSS. It's an assignment manager application designed to enhance your productivity. When you click the Get Started button, you can view all your assignments. Each assignment includes a name, course name, deadline, any special notices, and buttons to edit or delete. At the top of the page, you can see the total number of assignments you have. To successfully create a new assignment, click the Create a Work button. Fill out the form with the correct information, and press the Add button. In this example, I'm not providing any special text, as there are no special notices. If you add the work without checking the Complete checkbox, a red Details box will appear. You can update the assignment at any time by pressing the Update button. Once you complete the assignment, mark it as done by checking the Complete checkbox, and the red Details box will turn green. Deleting assignments will also adjust the total numbers shown in the top bar. That concludes the overview of this project, and I hope to enhance it in the future. Thank you, everyone.